I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 34 New Haven Way in the sought-after development of Edenbrook. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home delivers in spades and is a must-see. Built in 2018 and featuring stone tops and a fantastic flow from the kitchen out to the entertainment space, the inviting pool and large shed in the backyard. If a new build with side access, solar panels and access to all the facilities Edenbrook has to offer appeals to you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.